Hi, it's Arthur and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy A26. First, go into the settings and from here find the battery settings. We have a power saving mode that you can enable right here. I won't be doing it because it enables automatically some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. For example, in display, you can right here select the dark mode, enable the adaptive brightness or just manually lower the brightness. Motion smoothness, select the standard one. And from here, screen timeout, shorten this time to around 1 minute. Now scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.